Hello everyone, I am Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video to show you how to install the MIUI 12.5.3 version in the Poco X3 Pro device. Yes friends, this is a Poco X3 smartphone which I am using right now, as you can see. So at present the phone is running about 12.0.5, but there is a file which is available online. You can download it and you can actually install the 12.5.3 version as well with this kind of file. So this exact link I'll try to paste in the description if possible. You need to download the file. The file size is of close to I think 2.9 GB. Let me show you exactly the size. The size is of close to 2.90 GB, as you can see friends, which is a version of 12.5.3 version. Right now I'm gonna install in this Poco X3 Pro device. So let's see how much time this complete installation process will take in this phone. That is what I'm going to check. Let me try to show you step-by-step process. So first, after you're downloading the file, so try to keep the file in the, let me just show you, internal storage. So I mean, if you try to download from the Google Chrome, it will be there in this download section. Try to cut and paste here. Try to move the file in the internal storage. So once you've done that, let me try to open the settings and go to the about phone. And now you'll get this kind of option which is called the choose update package. If you don't get this option to choose update package, don't worry. Try to click on this MIUI icon couple of times and then you'll get this app option enabled. So once you click on that option and try to select the file what you want to do, and just select the file and click OK, and now you should be able to detect that file completely, and this will automatically detect what version the file is actually. So MIUI 12.5.3, it will try to mention you as well. Let's see. As you can see friends, right now it did mention which is the global version which I am trying to install. So 5.3.0 version, as you can see exactly. You'll get this option as well, reboot and update. Right now keep the battery percentage close to 100% during this time of testing, as you can see. Let me just start the stopwatch exactly when I click the update and reboot. Let's see how much time it actually takes complete process. So decrypting right now. So that is what my test is about, just to show you how much time this actual complete process gonna take. So as a user, you should know how much time it actually takes. So in the beginning, it will take definitely long time to install this kind of update. So you should not panic and you should not press any kind of power button during this time. I just want to show you how much time. If it takes 20 minutes, 20 minutes, or 30 minutes, 30 minutes, but still. So right now you're getting the option as well, which is updating MIUI version. Do not turn off your device, as you can see friends, clearly says. So try to keep fully charged if possible. Try to keep 100% charge always when you're trying to do this kind of method. So once after I install MIUI 12.5 version, I'll be able to test the performance, and I need to test the BGMI gameplay and a lot of other games as well. Testing whether the games will be supported with the 90 FPS or not. That is what I'm going to check right now. So right now, as you can see friends, right now it's been close to 58 minutes, 58% sorry, and 59%, and the time is about only 2 minutes. As you can see, 2 minutes. I just want to see whether the data will be deleted or not, because there is another thing which I need to take care. So I did do the backup as well, but just in case if the data is getting deleted, you should know as well. So you should do the backup before actually doing this kind of testing in the Poco X3 Pro. That's a really good thing you should test actually. And right now it's kind of 64% only. Let's see friends how much more time this is gonna take. So right now it's about 99% and finished. After 3 minutes of time, it completely finished the installation. But let's see how much more time this will take to start the phone. So sometimes the logo will be staying on like that for a couple of minutes. So that's another thing which we need to take care, how much time the logo will be staying. So that is the reason I thought of doing this kind of testing as well. So just to give a quick idea. So in case if you have the Poco X3 Pro, you should know how much time it takes before you get panic. And I'll try to keep it side, and right now it's kind of booting up, and we got the sound as well, sound effects. Let's see how long this is gonna take. I'm very interested to test the MIUI 12.5 in this Poco X3 Pro device friends, especially. So right now it's kind of booting, still in the MIUI logo only. So finally it's done. It's done in 4 minutes and 39 seconds only. My device took completely. And right now we should be able to see the MIUI 12.5 as well. Let me try to show you. As you can see friends, finally I got the MIUI 12.5. You can clearly see here MIUI 12.5 completely. And you can see everything what's new in this as well. Everything, all the details you do have here. System and the notes and status bar, everything. So finally I did install the MIUI 12.5. And let me try to check my gallery images, whether it got deleted or not. I don't think it got deleted. So all the images are completely there. So no data will be deleted during this time of testing. So that's another good advantage to see. And thank you for watching this video friends, and make sure to hit the subscribe and stay tuned. I'll try to do plenty of testing on this phone as well. So in case if you have any other questions, so make sure to let me know in the comment section below. See you in the next video friends. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.